Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake hair buns. First, gather your essential tools: 2 hair ties, several bobby pins, and a brush. Make sure your hair is clean and thoroughly detangled. This will ensure a smooth process. Next, part your hair neatly down the middle, creating 2 equal sections. This foundational step is crucial for achieving symmetrical and adorable cupcake buns. Now, let's create the base for your cupcake buns. Take 1 section of hair and secure it into a high ponytail, positioning it where you want your cupcake to sit. Then, twist the ponytail tightly from the base all the way to the ends. Once twisted, carefully coil this hair around the ponytail's base, forming a neat, compact bun. Secure it with a hair tie. To achieve that delightful, frosting effect, gently pull out small, thin loops of hair from around the bun. Don't pull too much, just enough to create soft, rounded edges. Arrange these loops artfully to resemble the swirls of frosting on a cupcake. As you form each loop, secure it firmly in place with a bobby pin. Repeat this process for the second bun, ensuring a consistent look. For the perfect finish, lightly mist your adorable cupcake buns with hairspray to ensure they stay put all day. Take a moment to check for any stray hairs or loose strands and secure them with extra bobby pins if needed. You've now mastered the cupcake hair bun. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.